I'm just going to do a quick 2-minute video to show you some of the amazing features that Ritetag have to offer on hashtag suggestions. One of my favourites is the upload image option. I'm just going to show you a very basic stock photo here. And as you can see, within a short amount of time, it's made a really good assessment of what is visible in the photo and made these suggestions below. Now, in case you're wondering what the different symbols and colours mean on the hashtags, green are your current hashtags that you should be using. They're very much on trend at the moment. Blue have a decent and consistent level of following. Red means they are used so often that your contents are likely to be seen, and grey means that very few people are following it. If you just have text that you're looking to post, then you can also get hashtag recommendations by using this box here. I'll just type in some text. And just like before, it's given me a range of hashtag options to use here for my post. I'm sure there's a lot of you that use their smartphone to create posts for their social media accounts. So there is also an app you can download for Android and iPhone, and you can even get a Chrome extension as well for when you're on the go. The other useful tool is this search box up the top, as you can type in any hashtag relevant to what you generally post about, and it will provide you with a brilliant selection of relevant hashtags that you can start using to ensure your post reaches your target audience. If you want to start getting technical, Ritetag's statistics are unbelievable. They really break down how a hashtag is being used, accounts that regularly use these hashtags that have a high level of followers, as well as what parts of the world are mainly using this hashtag in their posts. There really is a multitude of angles that Ritetag provide that you can use to increase the reach of your posts as well as the level of engagement.